Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing us how to adjust used bodies for how to use it for another style or same style or something close. So already this bodice you're seeing now, I've already used it for the outfits you're looking at. I used it for two different outfits, and of course I still have it intact, so I'm going to use it to make this very one off-shoulder dress with a puffy sleeve. So I just want us to know that there's no cause for alarm. You can still put your bodies together and use effectively. You don't need to discard them. So already I have my illustration done, which is very, of course, from the previous illustration, or from the previous cuts with the picture. From the picture you've seen, you will see I've already used it. So let's go to the new tutorial. For this course, I'll be using I'll start with the center front, but of course it's off shoulder, and I'll be working on two-piece dress. That is, what I meant by that is I'll be joining the bodies and the skirts. It's not one-piece dress, so stay with me. So since I said I've already used it, I'm just going to increase this little bit so the wearer can be more comfortable wearing. Though she didn't complain, but I just feel she'll be more comfortable and to be able to get my other shape out. So all I did is to add 1 centimeter each from that angle. To get the illustration on bodice, you can just click on the description below. Just click on the description. You find the link to all the tutorial. So it's very simple. We're just shaping, just doing little shaping. Steep. It's shallow, so I'm going to take it more. So I'll be cutting this out already. Like I said, how this can be done and all that, just click the button and you see the tutorial. Click on it and watch to the extent. So this is my center front and this is my side, so I'll just do the needful. So I have the cutouts, and I've already added fullness to it. How to go about this is also available in the video. Just click and watch. So let's work on the center back now. So I'll be cutting, like I said, I've used this before, and I've increased by 1 centimeter, and I'll be cutting on this line. So after the cutout, this is what it looks like. So at the end of the day, this is what I'm going to place on my fabric to cut my fabric. I'll just need to add similar ones to this. So let's work on the skirt. It's very easy. Just click the below button to find the tutorial for a Tubetop with strapless garments. You will find how to go about this top there. And don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and let them know what we are doing. You can leave your comments at the comment section. Let us know what you want us to do for you, how you want us to go about the tutorial. If you're having any issues, do let us know. So we can really work at your own pace. So, like I said, selvage to selvage is very important when you are placing your fabric, so that at the end of the day, the fabric will last you and you'll be able to do some other aspect of it. Thank you. Don't let me bore you with drafting the skirt all over and all over. Just click the description button or just click the link below the description button. You will find how to go about drafting your skirts. And actually, this is the princess skirt for a small size but a plus size person. And as you can see, it's very simple. Just click the link below. Just click the link below to find how to draft a pencil skirt. Thank you. And while you're to draft the sleeve block, which I have done already. This was the sleeve I used for the previous outfit. Like I said, I'm using my blocks. The blocks I've already used. I'm adapting for using it anyway. So this is the sleeve I used, and you can see some markings on it already. So I've transferred it here. Don't mind this. I've transferred it. So this will be the cutout for the upper part, which is the off shoulder, and this lower part is for the wrist, the fem part. So this will be the fuller part, and this portion is what I'm going to use to create a slash and spread method. So let's get to work. So first and first is for me to to cut out the sleeve, which I'm going to do now. So I have my sleeve ready. So I'll just need to cut this portion out and this portion out, then introduce slash and spread method to it. Just stay with me. So I'm going to divide it into section, and we take it up from there. Like I said, I'm going to slash through the lines so we can add more fullness to it. I'll be doing that on the fabric directly with the pattern. So stay tuned. So it's more or less like a bell sleeve in disguise of a bishop sleeve, though the lower part is fuller, which is how will I put it? Circumference is fuller. So this is my slash and spread method. I've placed it. All I need to do is to mark it and cut out. Stay with me. So I've applied my seam allowance all through. All I need to do is to cut out now. We made for it. So it's very simple. You're almost done. So at the end of the day, it's going to be like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So. Placed it already. We had our seam allowance to it. We had our seam allowance to it. So this is what we're going to use to hold the upper parts of the sleeve. Yeah, I'll be having zipper at the side, so I'm using half inch as seam allowance, half inch, and here as well I'm using half inch. So at the end of the day, I'm cutting out 4 pieces. That is 2 for each sleeve. 2 for each sleeve. So this is the bucket, the upper part we're going to sit on. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe if you haven't. Share with your friends our videos, our tutorials. Leave a comment below, and every other thing you want us to do or you want to suggest to us, you're welcome. Thank you.